Ahead of the Autonomous District Council elections, Voice of the People's Party President Ardent Basaiawmoit emphasized the party's goal of educating the public and creating political awareness. In an interview with DD News Meghalaya, he stated that the VPP's meeting stand apart from others. When questioned about his alleged defamation of Batisi TV and T7, Basaiawmoit made it clear that he would not apologize. The full interview will be available on DD News Meghalaya's YouTube channel.
The Voice of the People Party kalong ban educate upai ba ban create ya political consciousness awareness kabumut ban pensuthu upai ba ha kabedi ba kasinsyar ka kara ban panma kalong out of question ngan panma biage aba baro ki pai ba ki I kumnu korukom ai khobor jugini ki atli ki channel kamde ki khobor ki thu khana lorni he larari ki khobor bot tari ka report menta kumu journalist kai ki report ju pia ba piwan meeting sara kap report ba ka BPP ka plong meeting ma ka batai kita non necessary ba pinda ong ba tau pai ba we shot comment